Welcome to Season 6 of the Lazy Geckos.
I don't know that we're taking on seawater, over.
Get on 16 at 25 watts, just hail the U.S. Coast Guard.
The dinghy just is almost to the boat, to the vessel now, so we will probably know more information in just a second.
Roger, Captain. The two people that are on board, do they appear to be adults?
Yes, they are adults. We need an update for the Coast Guard as soon as you can.
I'm shaking. Actually, that's why the camera's shaking. Well, this is how I cleaned the dinghy last time. So, hopefully it takes the stuff off.
Shake that thing.
The strongest current we've been in. You got it.
Yeah.
Really big swells, really high winds, and a tangled head sail and a husband on the deck trying to figure it out. And a baby below with a dog. It wasn't easy. There's our sail. Nikki, Nicole, Virginia girlfriend, met them, I don't know, like 5 or 6 years ago. Hello, ladies. Hi. Your men are getting a workout back there. They're doing good, though. I think this spot is really kind of cool.
Nikki's your fail.
So the 27 waterfalls, we gotta do like 8 knots, right? We're leaving the Bohemian waters and entering the Turks and Caicos. Why not give you a shower scene?
Snip these wires.
Ben and I are fighting over the bowl.
Ready?
We are riding the coast of the Dominican. So we're doing a glow party.
This is how you have your morning coffee.
Pass it right between St. Kitts.
That feels great. Awesome sail. How is it?
Good. It tastes good when you're working for it. Okay, like this.
Yes.
Head on over to the back. It's happy hour. Double fisting. This is awesome. Private little beach.
Right? You know it's true.
Painkillers. Have you tried these?
No. What are you gonna do when they come up to the side?
I wasn't gonna do anything. But if there's children on board, I will turn my chair towards you.
I don't think there are. I looked on the binos.
This is perfect.
Beautiful sailing weather.
Yeah. Do you take binoculars and look inside your neighbor's window? If you do, you're a creep.
I love looking through binoculars at people.
So don't look over here in binoculars.
Beautiful beam reach sail today. Gorgeous. Moving along pretty good here, about between 8 and 9 knots here for a little bit. We have winds at 18 about. We're a full sail. This rig is designed for sustained 19 knots at full sail, and that accounts for the gusts as well. So we'll keep it up for right now. We're doing really well. 19 knots, 8.2. for cooking. There's another boat out there. We actually just passed another monohull on the right. He's turning up into the wind now. Yeah, beautiful day, man. Probably our most beautiful sail as far as winds, seas, you know, just weather in general, and both sails being completely out. It's awesome. We should be down toward Stanley Key here today.
Cool.
Fast too. I mean, I was counting on, like, you know, 5 knots.
Oh, we always count at 5. I feel like we account for the worst possible speed, so we make it before.
Right. Exactly.
Sun goes down.
Topless and free. This is totally my element.
Make an apple pie?
Yeah.
Reese, are we doing this for the piggies?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And apple pie?
Yeah.
Making some yummy apple pie. Figure we'll give the skins to the pigs. Right?
I don't know. They're pigs. They'll be eating anything.
I plan on bringing them. I thought about it. We should bring them like a bucket or a 5-gallon bucket of water. Fill it up with some water for them. And then see if they'll eat these.
I'm sure they will.
Yeah, I think they will, and then I'm sure I've been saving like my asparagus ends.
Awesome.
Maybe some older bread we get rid of.
I'm sure they'll love it. I think the water's huge because I don't think that they have water, and I've heard they're, you know, they were having some dye and stuff, and it was like dehydration issues.
Oh, that makes me so sad.
I know.
We gotta go give the piggies some water. We're so lucky we get to make water on the boat, huh?
Too bad Trevor's not going to be here for these piggies. Pigs are his favorite animal.
Are they?
I think so.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Yeah, we'll send them pictures.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, I think so. What's your favorite animal, Reese?
Piggies.
Piggies. All right.
Oh, do you like dolphins because they're nice?
Yeah, I like dolphins. They're cool.
Yeah,
and you know, they're always happy, and everybody's always happy to see them.
Yeah, Mom. What's your favorite?
Kind of like me.
I like sea turtles.
No,
Mommy loves sea turtles.
My favorite.
So what about sharks?
Sharks?
Yeah.
Not really my favorite.
What's my sharks? That's your favorite animal.
Put my strap back up. Goodness gracious, kids.
All right, well, you guys have fun.
Anchoring at a new place is always fun. Sometimes anchorages are a little crowded with boats, so we prefer hanging back a ways so we can be alone. Not only that, we also like to have space between Calypso and other boats. Space for accidental dragging and room for all the boats to swing are just a few reasons why. So let's back down on the hook and enjoy this lovely destination.
Do you see them?
You see them?
The pigs.
Aww. I mean, they had to have been put here by somebody.
Yeah, they were.
Long time ago, right?
I don't know. I know they're pigs.
I can't wait to go over to like the beaches over there. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. It is beautiful here. That is for sure.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer.
There are a few other pig beaches popping up around the Bahamas, but this is the original. Nobody knows for certain where they came from, but they're here.
Oh, hello. Oh my goodness.
I see a rooster, Daddy.
Hello.
That's cool.
They kind of freak me out a little.
Yeah, you want to hold it up.
Just wait a minute. I just
Oh, he smells it. No, stop. What are you doing? Hold on, hold on.
Can I help you?
little babies. That's cute. Hi.
The pigs were really cute. A little pushy, but hey, they're pigs. This was a great afternoon. Now it was time to go relax on the boat.
Keep a knife out for shark when I'm down there, okay?
Woo!
Jeremiah dives the anchor most times. Definitely if there's land, shoals, or other boats around that we could drag into. Fortunately, we've never drug anchor on Calypso. We usually put out more chain than needed, and we don't stop until it's set right.
Put 90 feet out, 8 feet of water. So, should hold.
Coming up,
Your butt must be hungry or something. The dog hasn't gone potty. Like, have I told you lately that I hate you? Our anchor actually goes out and to the left.
These are all legal, correct? I told you I should have worn shoes.
I'm just gonna dive right behind the boat.
Scuba diving under the boat. In our boat attire. Found this like little slice of paradise. That's yummy. You wanna try it? Beautiful sail here today. It was like a minefield of coral heads. What do you think about the rudder?
Should probably get it replaced.
Double fisting. And the whole time.
our episodes are fueled by Patreon. See how you can be a part of our journey at patreon.com/LazyGeckos. Want to get behind the scenes? Follow us on Instagram. There's tons more fun to see on our Vimeo channel. You can find the link in the description below.